This video demonstrates the crank and roto cover replacement on a 250 series casement. The process on a 250 series awning is similar. This process may be performed with the window in the closed or open position. It is shown here in a combination of both positions for better procedure viewing. Lift the crank to expose the set screw. Use a small flat blade screwdriver to loosen the set screw. Lift the crank off the rotor operator stud and set it aside. Pull the roto cover from the frame. To reinstall, position the cover over the roto operator and snap the cover into place. Position the crank onto the roto operator stud and fold the crank down to confirm it is positioned correctly on the operator stud. The goal is for the window to be completely closed when the crank is folded down and seated properly. Fold out the crank and tighten the set screw. Fold down the crank.